start by understanding where you are. Like, so our motive here, our objective is how to build a business case to win over your leadership team, to invest more in this really go-to-market motion through marketplace and through co-sell. So start by understanding where you are. And what that means is, you have partners today. Are they sending you deals? What type of deals are they? Is a customer segment, et cetera? There's a list here. Everyone will get the slides afterwards. But it's important to understand your own maturity or capability when it comes to partnering, because there's things that are going to be different, which we'll get into when you open up this channel or expand your existing alliances channel into marketplaces. So that's the first thing, is understand where you are. And then the second thing is to go into the numbers. And I love numbers, but Sam, why don't you walk everyone through the model here?
Sure. Yeah, so this is really important as an alliance leader, an alliance team member, to understand what these numbers look like for your business. So as we just discussed, industry standards are partners have higher close rates, bigger deal sizes, faster close rates. But looking at what this means for your business is really important and can help you articulate your case. So this is an equation that you should take and write down, and it's really simple, but let's say you have an annual goal of $1 million of closed won revenue. We know that your average deal size is 35K, your close rate is 25%, and your average days to close is 60%. These are all numbers that should exist in your sales force, and your RevOps team should be able to help you pull. So if we do some simple math here, we know that $1 million divided by 35,000 average deal size means you need to close 29 deals this year. Now, we all know that you don't close every deal in pipe. So go back real quick, John. So you have to understand your pipeline. So if we divide 29 deals by your close rate of 25%, that means you need 116 opportunities in pipeline to have a chance at hitting your goal of $1 million closed. Now we can move on. This is where your argument or your pitch gets really great. So when you add partners to this, you can see that the actual work and amount of pipeline that you need is a lot less than with direct sales. So again, there were 29 deals that you needed to hit your goal without partners. With partners, because of the higher deal size and close rate, there's only 22 deals needed. And conversely, the pipeline, there's only 82 deals needed in pipeline versus 116 on the direct sales side. So again, this is really showcasing you can do more with less.
Yeah, this is one that I'm curious if people would weigh in, whether you use models or not. Being a numbers individual, I've used this all the time, and you can get super complex, but it's really basic. Just look at your sales cycles and layer in some assumptions. But it's always good to present an argument with fact and the assumptions clearly outlined. And so this is a great framework to use if you haven't used that already.